Hello everyone, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita Smart Education. Today in this video, we are going to learn about inheritance in templates. Inheritance in templates is a concept in Sitecore through which we can inherit one single template with one or more than one template so that we are having more number of fields. Yes, for example, let us consider we have to create one website with these pages: home page, about us page, and contact us page. And see, the header and footer for all these three pages is same. So we don't have to insert all these sections repeatedly, and we can just have one single data template with having the sections header and footer, and we can simply inherit that data template to our three pages so that it reduces our work, and so we can give our work quickly, right? So it is one of the best concept in Sitecore. Yes, it is very simple also. I will show you how to add inheritance. Yes. Okay, in the example folder, I have created or I have inserted one new template with the name inheritance, and I have given the section name as body and the field names content and image. Actually, the body contains the content and image, right? So I have given content and image. And for content, I have given rich text, and the image I have given the field type as image. Okay, we are having this template. So let's inherit the header section to this. Okay, let's see. Let's insert this template into our home page and see what are the fields it have. And I already inherited this, and see, um, in new inheritance page, we are having only body and image sections, right? So let's inherit and see the difference. Click on this template. Then we have three options, right? Builder, inheritance, and content. Click on the content, and see, we have this boxes, right? Actually, standard template is inherited to all the templates, and we can remove this standard template and we can add our new template. Like I'm already having some data templates. See, I have stored them in the Safari Zoo folder, and yes, it is loading. See, I have the footer, header, article, these data templates. Let me select this header and click on this right arrow so that the header will be there. So you can also click on okay, I have clicked on them twice, no? Okay, in footer we can just double tap it, it will be there. So now save it. Yes, it is saved. Yeah, the one dialog box with message will become, and you have to click on OK. And yes, it is saved. And let's see. Now insert one template, or okay, in the now insert this template here with the name, not new inheritance, because new inheritance is also there. So new in, it's enough, no? Insert, click on insert, and let's see how many fields it have. Yes, new in contains, see, reject. I have clicked on the rich text editor. See, in the body section we have content and image that we have added, right? And what we have inherited is the footer and the header. In header it is having logo and navigation sections. In footer I have added footer content, and in header I have added two sections with names logo for the logo image and logo name, and I have added one navigation bar for the like the pages like home and about us, contact us, like that. And yes, see, this is the difference we got, right? So we can insert number of pages with the same template, right? So we can have all these fields without having any work, right? This is one of the best concept inside core. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mahita Smart Education. Thank you. Thanks for watching.